Here are the 5 cars that I'm going to be showing. And these are the 3 pilots from the Volkswagen team. So what do you reckon? What's that?
That's quite a, I think that's an easy one. That's the Formula 1.
Yeah, no
Formula
question
One?
about that one. Yeah.
Sweet, yep.
Quite impressive.
Yeah, that was good. It was, you did it too well. Yeah.
Definitely not the Polo.
Yeah, it's not a Polo. I didn't think it's a rally car either.
No.
So what do you reckon?
What we have left, it's not the
I-
Citroen, it's not the Polo.
It's a, for me, it's a Lamborghini.
Yeah, for me it's a race, yeah, like this.
Yeah, Lamborghini.
Lamborghini?
Yeah.
Lamborghini it is.
For me, that sounds like a boxer engine.
Yeah.
And the wastegate is working
Hey,
well.
can be also the one we drove in Finland, the Audi.
It could be, it could be. Actually, you're right. It could be. It's similar to Audi. You're right. It's like.
But it's more a group and car.
Yeah, it's a group. I think it's a Subaru N12.
Yeah, group and
Yeah,
car.
M12.
And 12?
Yeah, Subaru.
Subaru.
Close enough. Subaru.
First mate, really good job.
Yeah, very good. That's.
Yeah,
It's
I
familiar.
think
that must be our car. We know quite well this song.
So what are we going for? Volkswagen?
Volkswagen Polo.
Yeah. Volkswagen. Volkswagen Polo. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you very much.
Mm-hmm.